best thing about being a father is having a reset button. No matter how heavy the week feels, it all melts away the moment I hear my little one shout, Dada, in a joyful and high-pitched notes.
Seeing your kids grow up, in being there for every lesson they learn and every milestone they achieve.
It is about learning from them, growing with them, and sharing bonds that will last a lifetime.
I tend to be a child again.
Seeing through the eyes of my kids that I'm the best person in the world.
Pag galing kang trabaho, makita mong masaya yung mga bata pag uwi mo. Siyempre, nakakawala ng pagod.
It's in seeing their confidence build, their character form, and knowing that they carry part of you whenever you go.
Creating memories with my children.
It gives me a new sense of purpose in life.
You see them na they grow as a good person.
Coming home to my daughter and seeing her face light up.
Being a father is a gift. A gift because you're able to pass through what the Lord Jesus has also expected from each one of us.
Creating memories with my son and sharing adventures.
Mas lalo ko na-inspired magtrabaho ng mabuti.
Ako rin ay patuloy na natututo ng pagmamahal, pasensya at sakripisyo.
The best thing about being a father is being pampered by your kids every night.
Is this okay, Tatay?
Perfect, dear.
And I love you, Tatay.
I love you, baby.
So much.
So much. The best.